Hi guys, we're on another episode. We're en route to a job where we've been, and Waseem's going to tell you what he's up to on his journey to become a successful and masterful engineer. Alright Waz, take over.
Right, so this is a job that we went to over a week ago. The customer's complaint was loss of pressure in the system. So what we done is the PRV was throwing out water. So we checked that, we cleaned it, we resetted it, and it's been fine for about a week. But then the customer called back saying he's having the same problem. So as soon as we went to this job in the morning, the first thing I did was I felt the discharge pipe outside, which was dry. So that told us that the PRV is not discharging. This system, the primary circuit, is losing pressure somewhere else. Maybe somewhere inaccessible, probably a small leak somewhere. So now what we're gonna do is we'll be adding some Fernox leak sealer into the system. And then, so we're going through the job now, and coach will be instructing me how to apply it, listening to his instructions, and we'll take it from there.
Excellent, that's it, yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So when we get on site, you'll see us, and you'll see what we do when we get there. We're here now, so you getting your tools?
I'm ready to go.
Okay. Right, round here I've got the other bits of equipment for what you need. So this is what we're going to be using. That's that Fernox, what you said. And we're going to be using this application. So I'll show you how we do that as when we're getting set. Right, so we're on site, and do your thing, man.
Safety checks.
So just checking that the appliance is earthed. So what you doing? Just taking the case off now?
Just the case off to start off with.
Okay. How are you feeling today?
With this job, yeah, really confident because we've been here before. I'm familiar with the boiler.
So you feel better than you did when you first seen it?
Yeah. Actually, this was my very first job.
Yeah.
This was my very first job that I came out to.
All right. Right, on this boiler, location, where's it fitted?
On the ground floor. So what we'll have to do is we need to
think about this. Think about this. No, think about what you're doing. You're rushing too fast. You're not even thought. You're not even looked at the system proper.
Actually, they told us that this ground floor is only their space.
Correct.
That's it.
Now, look what you just done then. Look what you just done then.
Yeah.
You just jumped straight into it.
Yeah, yep.
Didn't give yourself thinking time.
That's correct. I remember, last time the guy said, this is just our space, and we actually went and showed us all the rads. So there is nothing upstairs.
Right, so again, you just got to think about what I said.
Yep. Calm down.
Yeah.
Don't rush in.
That's it.
Take a step back. And then.
So you don't have to then isolate the isolation valve in?
No.
Okay, good. All right. So we got that bit sorted out. So what we're going to do next?
relieve some pressure from the system.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
What you're looking for?
the PRV pipe.
Well, you don't have to. So why are you looking for the PRV pipe?
Oh, because I just want to see where it is, so I can.
But you don't need to look at the pipe.
I can. Yeah.
You do need to know the pipe's going out the
Yeah.
side.
Yep.
But what the reason what you was looking for was the wrong reason.
I was trying to follow it rather than open it.
Just look for the PRV.
Yeah. Yep.
You're working backwards.
Yeah.
But you do need to know it's going outside, but you don't look at the pipe to find the PRV. You just look at the PRV inside the boiler.
Cool.
Yeah? You located it yet?
1 second. So.
No. In fact, you can't bring that down like that. Why don't you just go stick your head right underneath the boiler? Look, there it is there.
Oh yes. Right from my face.
That's it. Okay. Now you can open it. That's it. Okay, so that's what you do. Don't look at the pipe to trace where it is.
Look
Just
on the
look
it first.
yeah.
And if you need to, as long as you know it's going outside.
Yeah, make sure it is going outside before you open it. Right, you forgot how we took that down. Can you remember? No.
There's 2 screws here.
Yep, that's it.
That's the small one.
So you drop that down.
Yep.
Let's see if we can jam that open a bit better now. So we're trying to get the PRV there. That we didn't want that closing. Sorry, opening, want it closing. Because we're now going to put this leak seal in the system. Right, so what you're going to do, undo that cap there, unscrew it, and then you're going to pour the contents inside there.
Like this?
Yeah. No. Wait a minute. No.
This.
It should. Wait a minute. It might have a bit. Just. Yeah, unscrew it. Right, and then we're gonna undo that and pour that into there. Let's get a screwdriver and pierce it. That's it, pour it all in there. Okay.
Do you add any water or anything?
No, just that.
As is.
Now you've done that, screw the cap back on now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the trick, what we do,
Okay.
how to do this. But for people who's not part of the mentorship program, you cannot see this. This is something you have to be a part of. So I'm afraid we can't show you how we're going to do it unless you sign up and show him what Wazzy's doing. He's just having a go at the pipes, trying to get it off. Okay, we've done that process and we've added the leak sealer into the system. It's got a bit of air in because of that pressure what you're putting in. So that's the air getting expelled from the automatic air vent on the top up there. That's what you can hear. So it'll have a bit of wind. So that's just air. It'll be like this for a short while until it gets rid of the air. So how are you feeling now?
Really good. Really good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. Why? Because it's a brand new experience and something else under my belt.
Okay, good. So you got the way, you understand what we did?
Yep.
Okay, and you could have applied that again.
Oh, definitely, yes.
Excellent. Brilliant. I've got a bit of an airlock here, so we've been trying to get it out and showing you what I'm going to do again. I'm going to undo this. Let's do that a couple of times. You can hear it changing. You can hear the air going. It's sounding.
Yep.
You might have to do this for maybe a couple of minutes to help get the air out. Right, it sounds a lot better now. The air's gone. We finally got rid of the airlock. So what did you think about that? What you just done?
This morning and afternoon now, it's been really good. So from the moment of putting the leak sealer into the system, then we noticed the automatic air vent was kept opening, hissing, so there was air in the system. Even how we released the air from the system, and then listening to the boiler's noise, and from it, the way it was trying to firing up, and right now it's running perfectly.
So you said about the noise. And you said about the air in the system.
Yeah.
I was getting it out, but what did we do to get it out?
So what we did is the screw here, and when we loosened it a little bit, we heard hissing from this the pump. So we used the pump to get the air out of the system.
Yeah, the screw.
The screw. So yeah, we slightly undid the screw.
Yeah, that's what you learned. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Now you can listen back to the sound of the pump. It's like quieter.
Yes. Yep.
So when it was noisy, that means it's got a lot of air trapped in it, and then you know how to get rid of the air.
Yep.
Okay, good. So these are things you'd be picking up.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright,
Definitely.
brilliant. Okay, so we can put the case back on and we can move on to the next job. So that's going to be it from us on this video, and we're going to move on to the next job. So we'll see you on the next episode.